you get so much money?
Officer at beach, me depend on I deal with tourists, I can't get money.
Okay. Yo! I want to see. Yo, me too.
You don't know nobody when you could link up and make them wash to buy money for me.
Nobody like who?
I believe in God, you know. I pray to you know. I know say that big Jeep that we see park up out front. And a church money buy. You want the money to wash for me or you not do it for me?
Pastor, remember so long time I have sex, you know?
Sister, calm down your tone, no?
Listen, after me baptized, me and you hide and I do the thing for him. At time for him married, the man I make the whole church know about him. I'm tired to be the little hide and seek, somebody just come to.
No red, no pastor. Come have a percentage for you, you know. Yes. See?
I think there's a dark cloud hanging over the church.
Huh?
I know you love the roughness, like this. You know, I'm a anointed man of God, right?
Right.
So I just actually put my hand on her head and say, sister, you are blessed.
You probably never have enough luck. I'm not a rampant boy, you know. Especially pastor, you know.
Remember, you know, you have to die first before you can go to, you know what people are saying home.
Okay, so how much money are we talking? Because to me, your life changed.
Well,
How much money are we talking?
you know, I want to invest more money into your part of business here right now.
Honestly, brother, I love you, you know. But me not think me want to get caught up in this saga, you know. I don't want all of this. I come clean up your mess all the time.
Some sacrificial shit now go on. Something right. I wonder if I sacrifice the church member them or something.
How do you think that the money is going to legitimize? Let me tell you something. Because many people talking about pastor money. Pastor need to get paid as well.
Churches always cover things.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters.